you're looking for reliable flanges and connectors, TP products should be your first choice. We are very pleased to welcome Lars Christensen this year at OTC Rio and learn more about what TP products has to offer. So Lars, could you please go ahead and introduce yourself briefly and also what TP offers?
Hi, my name is Lars Christensen from TP Products. We have one office in Norway, delivering globally for all the products we make. This is Flanges and Clamp Connectors, and we deliver and send globally to the main clients. We are about 80 people in the company and have served those markets for more than 40 years, and we know what we're doing.
Awesome. Lars, could you share with us which are the main clients you already support, both globally and already in Brazil?
Well, yeah, in Brazil, we talk about all the surf companies like the FMC, Subsea Valves, could be all stars, could be Cyclam, it could be all the oil companies as well directly. In addition to like you see Weatherford, could be the Metroval, could be other companies like that. Yes.
That is great. And could you also point out a couple technical details about the flanges and the connectors, such as pressure class, temperature?
Yes, thank you for the question. I also forgot to say that globally we deliver to all these companies, and we have many types of global contracts with those companies. My preference on the products would be that we are supplying maybe as number one or two in the world for high pressure and high temperature. And I could say right now that we're supplying flanges that could take up to 700 degrees for mobile nuclear plants as well. So yes, we are one of the few that can do the very specific engineering of those things. Everything also goes up to 15,000 psi, and we are now going and qualifying our products for 20,000 psi as well.
That is awesome. Thank you so much again, Lars, for joining us at OTC this year. And for more information around TP products, please feel free to reach out to us via the email sales.brazil with the Z at mopartners.global. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again, Lars.
Thank you very much.